So today we are going to do a number talk. You remember what a number talk is? No? Okay, so it's a small conversation about a math problem. Okay? And we are going to talk about different ways we can solve this math problem. Okay? And we're all going to share those ideas so that when we do that, maybe your idea, she can learn from it, or her idea, you can learn from it. So that's what we're going to do. So when I show you the math problem, you're going to write it on your board. When we're going to start with mental math. Okay? Everybody understand mental math? However you want. You can turn it or not. And when you're ready, you can show me a thumbs up. Okay? And then I'll call on you so that y'all can tell me which was it or how you solved it. So the first problem, I'm going to read it to you. The school ordered 426 backpacks for students. Okay? They already received 278 backpacks last week and 163 more this week. So we're going to do representation, okay? So we know that the school ordered 426 backpacks. Okay, help you write that down. 426. Okay. They ordered 426, but they already received 278 of those backpacks. So they received 278. Okay. And then they received another 163 this week. How many backpacks do they still need to receive? What is your question? So the school ordered 426 backpacks. Okay? They already received 278. And then they received another 163 backpacks. Okay? So work on mental math and give me a thumbs up when you understand how we're going to represent this problem.
Represent?
Yes, you can write on. Give me a thumbs up when you are ready. ¿Cuántos grupos vamos a hacer? Seis grupos de qué? De huevos. ¿De cuántos? ¿De cuántos? Tres cartones. Dale. Okay, so we're going to talk about it, okay? I'm just going to read the problem to you guys one more time. The school ordered 426 backpacks. How many backpacks did the school order? Okay. They already received 278. Okay? And then they received another 163 this week. Okay, so what are we doing here? Subtract. Can you tell us why?
We're trying to find a bigger total. If it's bigger total. Because they ordered 426 and then they already got 278. So we're not trying to, this was their total.
Yes.
And they already got this one. And now we need to find out how much more they needed. I was adding the total plus 278.
Yeah. Because we're not adding all of this. Because the 278 tells us what? That they already got these backpacks.
We're trying to find the part.
Right, so they already received 278. You have it right. And then they received another 163. So then we also have to subtract those. Right? So this is going to be a two-step problem. We can either add the backpacks that they already received and then subtract them from the total number that they ordered. Does that make sense? Yes? Okay. So, go ahead and erase your board. So how many backpacks do we have total?
426.
Okay, put that on our board. 426. That's how many backpacks the school ordered, okay? So this week, we received 278. Okay, so, this is how many we started with, right? This is how many backpacks the school ordered. So they already received.
How are we doing it?
So write down 426 because that's how many backpacks the school ordered. Okay? So the school placed the order, right? They placed it last week. And this week, they only sent us 278 of those backpacks. Right? So if they send us 278. They didn't send everything that we needed, right? Because we ordered how many?
426.
Okay, so they sent us 278. How many do they need? Are we short? Because not everybody's gonna get a backpack because they didn't send everything that we needed, right? So what do we do? Alright, subtract. So we're gonna subtract the number of backpacks we already received, right, which is 278. You can, yes. So go ahead and subtract
How much was the number that got you?
278.
Is we're gonna do a
They ordered 426.
Yeah, because he
Yeah, we received they ordered 426. But when the order came in, only 278 came in.
you guys do it right, not everybody that we work with, girls get a chance to do it. Okay, same with you guys. If you guys do it right, but not everybody is doing the work, then they get, if they got it right. And then, now, yeah, you have to talk about it, you have to, you're a team, okay?
So what answer did you come up with?
148.
Okay, let's wait for Manuel.
Can I get another marker?
Yes.
And we don't want sore losers, so your team doesn't win.
Okay, I'm waiting for, give Manuel a few more minutes.
Okay, ready? Okay, we're gonna start with. Here it is. I think this is just getting.
Okay, so what answer did everybody get?
148.
Correct, that is good. You all got it right. And now we have to remember that the following week, they received another 163. No, because how many did we start with, the total?
Oh, 426.
And then they sent us, of the 426, they only sent us 278. Okay, so then we ended up with 148 backpacks, right? So then they sent another 163.
The table shows the number of each type
Okay.
of drink. that
Okay,
was sold.
so
The number of bottles of milk is missing.
what we can do is we can add the amount that we already received and then subtract it from the total. And then we'll know if we have enough backpacks or if they sent extra.
Yeah, you can make a circle, talk with your team. What do
Does
you
that make
know?
sense, or do y'all have a question? Okay, so we have 148 and they received another 163.
I know that they give him extra backpacks
How do you know that?
because I put 148 and 163 and I looked to both and I looked the 100 were same, but the tens and the ones that's now was same.
Right, so they sent more because we know that this is how many more backpacks we needed to get. How many did we get?
163.